Jose Rizal Park, or Rizal Park, or Luneta Park. Okay, what is the common noun of Luneta Park? Park lang po. Park lang, okay? Park lang ang common noun Luneta Park. Okay? What is, we have here the Mrs. Adrian Learning Corner. Mrs. Adrian Learning Corner. Ano po yung common noun niya? Corner siya. Right? Anong klaseng corner? Learning corner. Right? Pero ang proper niyan is Mrs. Adrian's Learning Corner. Understand? Okay, what is the common noun of Devant? The Devant. Do you have TV at home? Okay, there's a name in front of it or at the side of it. Devant. Okay, what is the common noun? TV. Right? TV is the common noun. Do you have laptop at home? Okay, the laptop has name. HP. What else? Lenovo. What else? Mac. Okay, the common noun of HP, Lenovo, or Mac is laptop. Understand? Okay, very good. What is a proper noun? Okay, let's go to a proper noun of a car. What is the proper noun of a car? Can you give one? Innova. Wow, very good. What else? Wiggle. Right? What else? Very good look. I like that.
Honda.
Yes, Honda. Those are the proper nouns of cars. Okay, how about the proper nouns of chairs? Di ba may mga name ang chairs sa likod or sa gilid? What are the names of chairs? Merong Tiffany, right? Merong monoblock, right? Okay, what are the proper nouns of church? May mga name ang church. Quiapo Church, right? Quiapo is a proper noun. Have you been to Manila? Okay, malapit po yan sila ng Manila. Okay? Okay, how about the proper noun of a mother? What is the name of your mom? Lynette. Okay, Lynette. So, proper noun is Lynette. Wow, it starts with letter L. So, L should be in capital letter. You know already? You understand about it? Okay. Come on, let's read the sentence. Okay, we have more here. Number 3. The teacher
Gave Anna a gold star for her good work.
Okay, the teacher gave Anna a gold star for her good work. Okay, what is a teacher? A proper noun or a common noun? A common noun. Bakit? What are the names of teachers do you know? Teacher Leah. Okay, teacher.
Ashley.
Yes, teacher Ashley. Teacher. Yes, they are proper nouns. Pero itong teacher, common po siya. Okay? How about Anna? Is it proper or common? Yes, correct. How about gold star? Star. Is it proper or common? Common, star. Okay, an object, right? In the outer space. And work. Gave a gold star for good work. Work is a common